Good morning, Starnies. I hope that we all make it through the day without falling asleep because we were very tired this morning when the alarm went off. None of us wanted to wake up, but it's gonna be a grand kind of day because we are going to Walt Disney World's Magic Kingdom, home of Cinderella's Castle and Belle's Castle and so much more. Today we've got a big day planned ahead of us. Tonight our dinner reservation is at Be Our Guest, and we will be dining in Belle's Castle, where we will see, only for the next few weeks actually he's going to be there, is the Beast. They're actually on July the 27th. They're changing how all of this works, so it's no longer going to be a 1 credit dining, it's going to be a 2 credit dining. So we're getting the best out of it while we can, while we're here. So I'm excited about it. The kids have never eaten there. Shane and I have eaten there before on a trip we took, but we're looking forward to doing that. And Emily has never ridden, which one?
Mine Train.
Mine Train. So today she's excited to ride Mine Train, and she's never been on It's a Small World. What? I think it was broken the last time, which was her first time to come. So tonight or today she's gonna ride that, and we're just looking forward to an awesome day. Hopefully we can not be in too many crowds because yesterday was insane. So we're looking forward to an awesome day today, getting a lot done. So come along with us for the ride.
Hey, good morning.
Good morning. May I have the last name?
Starnes.
Have a great day.
Thanks. Looks like we're the first ones to ride the bus. I don't think anybody else knows the secret. We get a bus ride all to ourselves. We're gonna be there quick. Alright guys, where are we?
Magic Kingdom! We're about to get on Main Street.
It's exciting.
It is exciting. Here we go! It's like the most magical time ever. I know she got it never gets old.
Stay here. Don't run me over. I want to watch the rest of the game. Alright. Honestly, they should have given
Look, there's a little mermaid. See her? Look, it's Pizza.
When ghosts are present, practicing their terror with ghoulish delight. And consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows and no doors. Which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out. Of course, there's always my way. Warning, the spirits will materialize only if you remain quiet, of course. And marble busts of the greatest ghost writers the literary world has ever known. I'll see you all alone.
You thought Seven Dwarfs was good. It wasn't scary, was
And
it?
point and show the camera how old you are.
4 years old. Wow. And it was fun.
What was your favorite part?
The drop.
Really? I thought you didn't like drops. It was fun though, huh? It's a nice touch, huh? The free water stations.
Yeah, it's hot. We have to stay hydrated. Look at Daddy. We're about to get on Ariel.
I'm not with you.
You want to ride with me? Okay, that's fine.
Because we know he wants to ride with Daddy. Teddy's got on her Ariel ears.
What are we riding, guys?
We're on the aerial ride. It's my favorite. I even have it. Wait a minute, go back. I even have an aerial ride. Look.
Okay, show me, show me, show me. Sweet. We didn't get to ride together after all. Is that your girlfriend? No?
Down where it's going to take it from me.
What's your name? What's your name? Carter, not Crocodile Dundee.
No, sir.
No, sir. Yes, that name. And it changes. So I'm trying to get bigger. So right now it's 7 dozen, maybe it's 8 dozen, depending on the workout. I know. My cholesterol's really high.
Don't you have a question too? Are you enjoying yourself?
Oh, are you original? Anyways, I'm there, man. Don't worry, little one. I will marry Bella one day. You're welcome to come to our wedding. Want to come to our wedding? No? Is that a no? You can throw the flowers. Or you can struggle the van. I have no idea where the food is going, so you can take a shot. You want to wear a red dress? Is that what you said? If you want to wear a red dress, you're welcome to go do that. But if you want to talk about red dresses, you might want to go to Princess Mary Hall if they were talking about it. Yeah, you might have better.
Okay, let's take a picture.
Little man, go talk to Elena. She'll help you out with wearing red dresses.
It's gonna be fun, I promise. Alright, so how was it? You didn't like the big drop, but it's pretty good.
Would you ride it again, ever?
I'm sure. I'll go on the 7-door mine train.
So the Small World just opened, and it says it has a 10-minute wait, but we're way out here, but I think it's just because they're trying to load the boats.
Surely it'll be a short wait. Carter Man, you ready to ride?
Never in a million years would I ever wait this long for this.
I'm marrying the lamb, but it was just
sitting in Pickles Bill's in our usual spot for some Tex-Mex, and it's one of the best values on the dining plan. You get so much food, and they have a condiment bar that's full of salsa, sour cream, cheese, and pretty much anything you'd want on a taco. It's just some really good food. Whitney's got the nachos and loaded up with condiments on the condiment bar. I've got the fajitas. The girls also have nachos.
Almost like I made a side salad.
What'd you say, baby?
It's almost like I made a side salad.
Yeah, no kidding. We might get to see Frozone if he comes out, right? Because he's right. That's where we take a picture with him if he decides to come out. Maybe he'll come out. That'd be fun.
Yeah. Frozone!
I'm here. This expo's even cooler. Oh, you're welcome.
Who is that, Carter? Carter.
Let's go! Catch up!
Neck problems, motion sickness, or other conditions that could be aggravated.
Okay, you just rode Space Mountain. How was it?
Great, I love it.
And you're gonna ride again?
Yes, it's kind of scary though. Just like some rides, like whenever you hear people scream, close your eyes as tight as you can. Because that's whenever the drop is. And then if you hear people go, woo, that means that's when the turn is. So also close your eyes.
Was it good? You ready to ride again? Hey girls.
I thought you were gonna hold my feet.
There we go, now I got the piece.
Hurry, Daddy, get up.
So a tip to the wives is use all 3 of your fast passes. Get them as early in the morning as you can for every category that you can. And then the moment you're in the line queue for your last ticket, go ahead and get your next one. This is our 6th fast pass of the day, and it's not even 2 o'clock. So word to the wives, use your app, make it work for you.
What are we going on next?
The Dumbo ride.
Going on Dumbo? You excited?
It flies.
It does. What color are you gonna get?
We're gonna get orange or green.
Orange or green, okay. You ready to ride? We on Dumbo? Yeah. Alright, so we had put the camera up, but a lot's happened since we put the camera up. We've done about 5 more fast passes. Emily's joke got picked at the laugh floor, which is pretty cool. She said that Gaston had won the Nobel Prize. And now we're gonna ride Pirates of the Caribbean, which was like our, what, 8th or 9th fast pass? 10th fast pass? And we just scored Buzz the Space Spin as well. So
The travel agent is in your party.
we're just having a really good time today.
Hey guys, so right now we're in Beach Castle and our reservations. What did I say again?
Yeah, you got it.
For our reservations. For Be Our Guest. And seriously, we're just waiting. So I'm excited and see you guys when we eat.
We got the Rose Room, is that what it's called? The Rose Room. We've eaten here before, Shane and I had requested staying in the West Wing, but they told us it was going to be a 50-minute wait for us to do that, so we just decided to keep the reservation that we had. We actually got seated exceptionally promptly, just super promptly, so I'm not complaining. Really, this is a hard reservation to get, so who am I to complain about sitting in this room? I'm looking forward to eating. There's not a ton of options that my kids are thrilled about, but they can always get macaroni and cheese or something like that. I'm either gonna get the steak or the lamb, and I like both of those, so I think it'll be good.
We all just ordered our steak medium, me, Whitney, and Emily, and when it was Carter's turn, he said he wanted his large.
These will be receiving guests in the Saturday, children which have a formal and
Wait, Carter.
We each got the New York strip steak, all three of us. Got the New York strip steak with fries and grilled vegetables. Okay, so apparently there's some aioli for the fries. It's really delicious. Katie got macaroni and cheese and fries. Carter got steak and fries. How is it?
The steak's the bomb. This is the best steak I've had here on property.
It's good. I had a bite at Carter's and it was really good too.
That food was on point. And that was better steak than what I had at Ohana, and I'm a big fan of Ohana. But what was really good was this garlic and truffle aioli for the fries. It was some kind of wonderful.
The fries were really good. They were thick cut and crispy.
They were thick cut, hand cut, and they had like really, really fine salt on it, and it was really good.
Very good.
Try the great stuff. It's delicious. Don't worry, it's delicious. Hey, is the great stuff delicious? The great stuff is delicious.
They brought over a birthday card for Carter's
And he
birthday.
got some gray stuff.
His own personal gray stuff.
All made fresh here. So if you like that gray stuff, we're here. Here's white chocolate mousse, triple chocolate, strawberry and lemon cupcake, chocolate cream puff, and chocolate orange flavor too.
You want to taste the top?
I'm whenever you stand right next to the table. Next to the
We had to watch fireworks from the car because it got rain. We were pouring down rain on us.
It's supposed to start at 9 o'clock, and they said they were canceled because it was raining, but then it went on ahead.
Second night they did that. But you know what? I actually like this view just fine.
And we had ponchos, so really the only thing soaked is our feet. And Carter's stroller's pretty wet. Smiley faces.